up epic. Today we are choosing yourself and living the adventure, and we're going to do a movement that's often called skaters. Here we go. Inhale, E, feet together. Sharp breath in with your fingers together like you are growing a blade of grass. Exhale, like you're a ball rolling down the mountain. Inhale, E. Exhale, These moves go together because they're polarity, energetically polarity. It's like they're saying, here I am, let's play. So no matter what's going on in your world, can you say, here I am, let's play? One of my big visions and missions is to create a world that is safe to play. Here I am, let's play. What do you got? Let's do this. Some people are motivated by, you can do it. Test that out. Are you motivated, truly, by, yeah, I can do this, you can do this, I believe in you. One more. I believe in you. Some people are truly motivated by, you can't do this. Nope, I don't think you can do it. So test that out. No, you can't. That thing you want to do? No, you can't. Those deeper dreams you don't even tell people about? Nope, you'll never do it. And the truth is, most of us have some combination of being motivated by both of them. So let's smooth it out. Whether you can or can't, will you? What if you didn't need to believe in anything? Back and forth. Last one. Great job. So choosing yourself and living or leaping into the adventure. So notice how this shows up for you today, and maybe some old stories of things that you failed or other people that didn't let you do something comes to your awareness so you can let it go and surrender it. And maybe you have some new opportunities that are coming up that you're aware of because you're now looking for them. So how does it get better than that? Our physical move for the day is called skaters. And it's a side-to-side movement where we go from one to the other, to the other, to the other. Now we're going to progress it like everything in this last series. So stand on one leg, step to the other leg, step to the other leg, step and bend, step and bend. Now imagine you're jumping. You're taking this great big leap. Jump, land, so that your hips are going back, your glutes are catching you. And once that feels good, the first thing I want you to do to progress it is pretend to land harder. Land harder. You just go a little deeper. What this will let you do is before you start to throw your body through space, you're going to feel extremely safe because your brain knows how to handle the landing. This is extremely important. In punching, in throwing punches, which you can do here if you like, just throw a couple punches as I tell you this quick little story. In throwing punches, what makes you punch faster is not more strength to punch, it's the ability to stop and control the punch. So if you were to throw a punch, go ahead and stop just for fun here. Just for fun. Lots of progressions. If you're just to throw a punch, What actually makes you confident to go faster is the inherent knowing that you can control it and stop it. And that's what allows you to have control and mastery. The ability to actually control it, not just make the thing go faster. And this is very, very true with landing. And it's very true if we take this metaphor to learning any skill. So, if you're feeling good, start to take a small jump from one side to the other. Where as soon as you land, you're back up going the other side. So at some point now, your body's completely off the ground for a split moment. Now if that's feeling good and you'd like to add a little bit more, try a progression of going a little further apart. Larger jump. You can use your arms and stop. I'm going to give you one more variation, and then like the burpees practice, we're going to go for 1 whole minute. So one more variation is to reach all the way down to touch your knee or the floor to come all the way back. You go across, reach down, touch, come all the way up. Reach down, touch, and come up. Now to combine this depth with a jump is quite advanced. I'm not even going to attempt it because there's just a lot of moving parts. It's a lot of forces and can tire you out very quickly. But I want you to know that you could go there. And we can take different components of this, build your various forms of strength, and then embody that kind of mastery. So now that you've got that idea, in 5 seconds we're going to start our 1 minute mark of keeping the skater going. 3, 2, 1, begin. The only rule for this minute is to keep moving. Once it feels good, try a greater progression. If that gets tiring, make it smaller, and even super, super small and super slow, but you're going to keep maintaining the pattern. And when you get a little bit of recharge, amp it up again. If you get a little tired, slow it down again. If you get a recharge, take it deeper. We got 15 more seconds. Three seconds. Well done. Go ahead and stop. Shake your booty out. Turn your head and your neck and your shoulders. Okay, well done. So again, let your breath unravel. Let it do what it needs to do. Let your body take whatever shape it wants. To feel like you're coming back into some sense of control or ease. Well done. So now let's take our minute of wake up silent. Now let's take our minute of silence for wake up epic. Open your eyes. Move your body. Thank you so much for waking up epic. Today was all about choosing yourself and living the adventure. Tomorrow in our final practice, we're going to weave it all together and what else is possible. So have a great day today and notice all the ripple effects that you're creating for yourself. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for being epic.